to the front where I belong and brag on it. Go to the top, I'ma give it all I got.
Okay, before we get started, you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the red button. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all my latest videos. And while you're at it, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And thanks you guys for watching. So today, you guys, I'm showing you how I fill in my eyebrows with a black liner. I use black because my hair and my eyebrows, they are very dark. So I'm showing this video to let you know you still can keep it natural using a black liner. I started off by drawing a line right up under my brow just to give it a clean look. And you're doing this using short strokes. And I'm going to do the same thing to the top, just really light short strokes. Okay, now when I get up here towards the front, I want to draw these vertical lines like short strokes in the front, and I'm using leftover product that's already in the brush, and I'm going to draw some of them slant, and I don't want to use extra product because I want to do this part as light as possible so it won't be so dramatic in the front. And this drawing the lines vertically will help give them a more natural appearance instead of just a straight square look in the front. Now after I finish the front part, I'm just going to go all over the brow. Any spot that I might have missed, I'm just going to try to fill it in really well. Now you guys didn't get to see my natural brow before I put any product in it. This is it right here. I'm using the spindle brush just to straighten it out. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing I did to the other side. Drawing a line up under the brow first, just to give it a clean look. Right here, I'm going to use that same spindle brush, and I'm just going to brush the product all the way into my brows just to make sure everything is evenly done and just to see if I missed anything. Okay, right here, I'm just going to use my angle brush, and I'm going to take some concealer and clean it up. I like to use the color as close to my skin as possible because I don't like the overly light look, and I want to just keep it very, very natural. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning it up. I'm finishing cleaning them up. I'm just going to blend that extra concealer out and wherever I can blend it to, because once I put on my foundation, it'll blend right in, and you won't see a lot of leftover lightness or whatever. You'll just see a small highlight. Okay, guys, this is a finished look. There's a glare, so I'm trying to help you guys see it better. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.